Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the limited break title in Heartopia. So it is similar to the events before where you have to fill 100 of these collector boxes. And to make it easier, you should just submit one item per box. So here, I'm just going to submit the one that I have a lot of, which is the lemon verbena one. What does it say? Please like and read. Well, I'm just going to like first because I don't have the time to read. Anyways, you're just going to do that to 100 houses, like 100 of these boxes, and then you will get the brick title. I don't really want it. It's not the best title. I just got the Cinephile one, which was from the event before this, and I like this title a little bit better. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.